What if you could launch your own viral challenge website with built-in engagement, sharing features, digital products, and monetization without writing code or building everything from scratch? Well, in today's video, I'm reviewing a brand new WarriorPlus product called Challenge Profits Fortune. And if you decide to pick it up through my link, I'm also offering some exclusive custom bonuses. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I create honest reviews about digital marketing tools, AI software, online business products, and WarriorPlus launches. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now, let's jump into Challenge Profits Fortune. So Challenge Profits Fortune is basically a done-for-you WordPress challenge platform. Instead of sending people to boring static pages or random affiliate links, you create an interactive challenge-based website where visitors can join challenges, track their progress, complete tasks, share results, and naturally discover your offers along the way. According to the creators, the platform comes with 100 preloaded challenges, user account system, progress tracking, built-in digital product shop, banner ad system, WooCommerce integration, sharing features, DFY website copy, training videos, and social media promo materials. Everything is designed to help beginners launch a professional challenge website quickly. Step 1, install the website backup on WordPress. Step 2, connect your payment method like PayPal or Stripe through WooCommerce. Step 3, add your affiliate links, products, or promotions into the built-in promo areas. You can start driving traffic to your challenge platform using social media, YouTube, SEO, or paid ads. The main goal is to increase engagement and keep visitors coming back. Number 1, done-for-you challenge website. You don't need to hire developers or design everything manually. Number 2, 100 preloaded challenges. Number 3, built-in progress tracking and member accounts. Number 4, digital product shop and banner system. You can promote affiliate offers, digital products, lead magnets, sponsored promotions, coaching offers, and more. Number 5, DFY marketing materials. They also include ready-made promo videos and social media posts to help you start marketing faster. I think this product is mainly designed for affiliate marketers, coaches, digital product sellers, content creators, especially if you like the idea of building a community-style website, because challenge-based content can definitely increase engagement when done correctly. First, the concept is different from typical WarriorPlus products, but this one is more focused on building an actual platform and long-term engagement. Second, the setup appears beginner-friendly. Third, there are multiple monetization methods. And fourth, the challenge format itself is very engaging.
Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link Secret Clicks Engine down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. You can see my bonus page on screen now. These bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with Secret Clicks Engine. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is Affiliate Marketing Guide. This step-by-step affiliate marketing guide will help you understand how affiliate marketing really works, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll learn how to find offers, generate traffic, and turn clicks into commissions while building a long-term online income strategy. Bonus number 2, Free Traffic Generation Guide. Learn powerful free traffic strategies that can help you drive targeted visitors to your offers without spending money on ads. This guide covers practical methods for getting more clicks, leads, engagement, and potential sales for your online business.
Bonus number 3, AI plus Marketing Beginner Notes. These beginner-friendly AI and marketing notes are designed to help you understand modern online marketing faster. Discover useful AI tools, automation tips, content ideas, and simple strategies that can save time and improve productivity in your business. These bonuses are only available through my link, so make sure to check the first link in the description before the bonus page expires. Bonus number 4, Digital Marketing Video Course. Get access to a practical digital marketing video course covering important online marketing concepts like traffic generation, branding, audience growth, and promotion strategies. Perfect for beginners who want to improve their digital marketing knowledge step by step. Bonus number 5, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle with links. Access a powerful bundle of 20 useful AI tools that can help you create content, automate tasks, generate ideas, improve workflow, and boost your online business productivity. These tools can save hours of work and make online marketing much easier and faster. If you grab Secret Clicks Engine through my link below this video, you'll also unlock all these exclusive bonuses completely free, designed to help you get more traffic, save time, grow faster, and maximize your online results.
Now, let's talk about the prices and the complete funnel of Challenge Profits Fortune. The front-end version of Challenge Profits Fortune is priced at around $27 during the launch period. This gives you access to the main Challenge platform, along with the core features included inside the software. There's also a special launch discount available for early buyers, so the price may increase later. OTO1 is the AI Challenge Builder upgrade. This upgrade helps you generate brand new challenges faster using AI and GPT-powered prompts. OTO2 focuses on additional automation and advanced monetization features. This upgrade is mainly designed for users who want to scale their challenge websites more aggressively. OTO3 includes reseller or agency-style features, depending on the launch offer available. This can help advanced marketers create additional income opportunities. And finally, there may also be bundle or fast pass options available during checkout. So overall, the funnel is mainly focused on helping users expand, automate, and monetize their challenge platform more effectively. But honestly, even the front-end version already includes enough features for most beginners to get started. And if you plan to build a long-term challenge-based business, some of the upgrades could definitely be useful. Alright guys, that's my review of Challenge Profits Fortune. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below your thoughts. And if you decide to pick it up through my link, don't forget, I also have exclusive bonuses waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review video.